If we actually believed that Ram is sitting in his name, then our longing to take it would be like the longing that Shankarji has got. Shankarji says, "Oh Parvati, if I hear somebody say Ram, I become exhilarated." He's going to say, "Wow, Ram." That person may say one after that, Ram. I become thrilled merely on hearing Ram. And the possibility that I may hear the name of Ram, that kind of love is what is required. So don't just take the name, take it with love.